The lighting is not good. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good midnight to all my friends near and far. This is your friendly Filipino carpenter here in America na wala pang suklay-suklay. And together with me is my beloved and handsome husband.
Good morning.
Ang pagliligpit, bow. So yan na, I couldn't believe na we have reached into this point where nagliligpit na kami para sa final na arrangement ng renovation namin. After so many months na pag-aayos ng bahay namin na ito, napaka-tedious talaga, but at least now we are finally at the end of our renovation. Ano na lang, pagligpit-ligpit na lang and rearrangements of everything, tapos yun na, ready na for staging. Why am I sporting red lipstick? Magkarpintera lang guys. Alright, I'm back. And so my question earlier was, why am I sporting red lipstick? Just because gusto ko lang. So itong table arrangement ko useless lang talaga kasi yun nadudumihan na. So what I'm going to do is put these yung mga yung mga goblets at saka yung mga plato, etc. Ilagay ko siya sa washing machine para malinisan. But before ako naglilinis guys, linagay ko muna yung mga kubyertos dyan sa dining namin, dyan sa dishwasher, para while nag-run siya ng paglilinis niya dyan, ako din naglilinis din ako sa kusina namin. So yan. So, ito po yung table runner na binili ko last Christmas na from $29 to $2.90. O, diba? Nagamit din. So, itong si Miss Plant ay napaka-dusty. Tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo yung lagayan niya. Super dusty. Kasi itong si carpentera ninyo, hindi nga makapaghihintay. Kaya, ito lang. Nawibisikan ako guys kasi napaka-strong ng ng tubig, supply ng tubig dito. Kaya yun, pinag-ano ko na lang siya. I am like spraying the petals kasi ang daming alikabok para naman fresh yung itsura niya, diba? Hindi obvious na daming alikabok. Yan. Diba, ang ganda. So, ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you Marilyn's work of art na galing ukay-ukay yung iba. Kailangan lang na linisin. So, ito na po yung final reveal ng kusina ko. This is my beloved kitchen. Yan. Okay. Let's investigate. So, this is going to be, kailangan pa rin ng linis, but it's going to be that way na. Alright, I got that clock na kailangan ng battery for, I think, $15. Yan. And the rest are ukay-ukay. Yan. So, kailangan ko yan ilinisin kasi ang dami pang dust. But ito na po yung final appearance ng kusina ko. Ta-dang! And look at my submerged lights, guys. Family is everything. Naku, itong dishwasher na ito, it would take like 90-something minutes, more than 1 hour. Mga 1 hour and 30 minutes para lang maghugas ng mga pinggan. Ang bagal-bagal niya. Tapos, itong mga cabinets ko, okay-okay lang yan. Tapos, pinintalan lang. And I got it for $100, including the bottom base cabinets. Yan. Yung sprayer ko na faucet, I got that for probably, pagbilhin mo yan, nasa 150. I got that for only 25, I guess, if hindi ko na maintindihan, but maala-ala, but you know, it was around that price. Tapos, look at my window. Ha, 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 ang dumi! No, actually, yeah, it needs to be cleaned. Tapos, ito, kitchen rules. If you empty it, you fill it. If you open it, you close it. If you dirty it, clean it. If you spill it, wipe it. If you cook it, share it. That's very important. And tingnan nyo yung kitty-kitty planter ko dyan. Di ba ang cute? What in the world is that? Siren sound. Yan. And I love this plant of mine. Napaka-grandioso. Although, as usual, puno ng alikabok. But, never mind. Okay na rin. Tapos, ito na po. Yung other side of my kitchen. Tadang! So, yan. Yan po ang kusina namin. Yan. Refrigerator is there. Tapos, ito po yung lininis ko na plant na binili ko din galing ukay-ukay. Diba? Nagamit din yung Christmas decor ko. Kahit na wala sa excuse me. Kahit na wala sa season. At tapos, ito yung utility ko. Tingnan nyo. Gusto ko sana, gagamitin dito, kortina. Kaya lang, itong asawa ko, ayaw talaga niya ng kortina. Gusto niya, ito po yung tinawag na accordion door. Problema lang, yung accordion door niya is hindi mahaba. Tingnan mo. Ay, naka-short pants. But anyway, yan yung gusto niya eh. Gusto ko kasi cortina because I have a curtain na napakataas na pupunta hanggang dyan sa sahig. Yan ang gusto niya. So, ito na po. Yung magic accordion. Tadang! So, yan. Yung utility room / storage. Yan. So, for the meantime, dyan namin linalagay yung mga kalat nila. Tapos, but actually, this is where the washer and dryer would be. So, yun. Tapos, mamaya, ipapakita ko sa inyo. Tingnan nyo guys, may automatic pa siya. Closing. Yan, kasi may magnet siya. So, that's a little tour for you guys for my finally finished kitchen. Yan. And I hope that it will stay this way. Sana hindi na ako lilinis ulit. Napakahirap kayang maglinis. But thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed.